So we're more than just sheet metal. We're not afraid to get involved in products that have to be fully assembled. My name is Dennis Collinson. So I've been in sheet metal fabrication for 40 years.
We are GP Precision Sheet Metal Fabricators in New Jersey, and we give these advanced tools to our engineers and skilled press brake operators to offer you exceptional sheet metal fabricated parts. Oh yeah, and our 99% on-time delivery is the icing on the cake.
So we're a job shop. We have customers in all different markets.
We can supply a completely finished product. Hardware, assembly, weld, spot weld, grind.
Electronics enclosures, laboratory test equipment.
From basic panels to bracket, front bezels, card cages, chassis, enclosures, even NEMA-rated cabinets. We pretty much do anything. And aside from being a precision shop, we value your time. We are 99.8% on-time delivery, and that's something that we measure and we take seriously.
What's new and exciting at GP? A lot of things are new. We got a new fiber optic laser. It gives us a lot more capacity. On the other end of the shop, we also added a laser welding jobs that we haven't been able to do before competitively. So we're more than just sheet metal. We're not afraid to get involved in products that have to be fully assembled.
This is our new laser welding system at GP Precision. Instead of an arc, it's a laser beam that's being shot down onto the part, and it's automatically feeding wire in as you go along. The laser welder welds about 5 times faster than traditional TIG welding. It also then reduces heat. Heat when you're welding can distort the part. If we TIG welded all of these NPT fittings to this thin sheet metal, it would be twisted and distorted. And the laser welder solves the problem because it keeps the part flat.
So this is a new item we got this year because of the laser welder. It's a full complete assembly. It's an enclosure that goes in the subway system that we have to make sure they're waterproof up to 20 feet. It's formed up, and then we have to weld all the outside seams, weld in all the NPT fittings, and we have to weld on this other piece up here. We send it out for painting, and then we assemble the whole thing. And believe it or not, we were less expensive than the stock part, and they're ecstatic about it because we've been giving them better quality, on-time delivery.
All sheet metal shops should have a laser, but not all lasers perform the same.
Why do we buy a laser like this? It allows us to cut intricate parts like this. We can make things that can't be made any other way by using this laser.
So this is our Armada fiber optic laser. Does not use gas.
The fiber optic laser, it's faster. It uses less electricity. We can cut with ambient shot air instead of cryogenic tanks of oxygen and nitrogen.
And it has a 5x10 bed. This laser allows us to give you a more precision cut with lower operating costs, which means the savings for you. So we work from around 10,000 stick to 1/4 inch, and we can hold up to 2,000 tolerance.
What are our options if we didn't have the laser? We'd have to rely on the punch press. The punch press isn't as efficient because we're changing dies, it's one punch at a time. The laser is one program, runs the whole part, and we're done. Remember, it's all about saving money. And if we save time, you save money.
So our engineering staff is exceptional, and they can utilize the sheet to the best potential by nesting parts tightly on a sheet. If we start the process more efficiently by nesting parts, less waste, by the time we get to the end of the process, it's going to be a cost savings to you. And that's how you save money.
So back in the old days, we used to punch a part like this because of all the different holes. But now with the fiber optic lasers, it's so fast that it makes us competitive in small quantities.
We have the capability here at GP Precision to do finished products.
So what we have here is some value-added services. We go from drawers to panels to actual full-blown carts.
We're assembling medical carts. They're used to bring around medication from room to room.
So we can handle parts that are tiny to parts that are 8-foot cabinets.
Though we do have the ability to supply plated, painted, silkscreen parts.
So we're going to provide a finished product to you.
Our sweet spot is anything from to there.
Every great product has to have a great finish. In our time save department, we have a flatter and 2 time savers.
So the flatter has thousands of these little pieces of sandpaper.
Not every shop has a flatter, and the advantage of a flatter is that it gets inside the holes and deburrs inside the holes.
The best part about GP Precision is everything here is made in the USA.
So the advantage of using a stateside fabricator is that we can make smaller quantities and deliver a lot faster. Sometimes there's a language barrier because we're from Jersey, but we still speak your same language. Our goal is to deliver a part to you with excellent quality, on time, all the time, and at the lowest cost.